Pulmonary trunk. Origin. The pulmonary trunk is about 5 centimeters long and arises from the upper part or the infundibulum of the right ventricle at the level of the sternal end of left third costal cartilage. Course. After arising from infundibulum in the middle mediastinum, it passes backwards and to the left and terminates below the arch of aorta and in front of the left principal bronchus by dividing into right and left pulmonary arteries. Relations. Anteriorly, sternal end of left second intercostal space and left lung and pleura. Posteriorly, ascending aorta, commence of left coronary artery, transverse sinus of pericardium. To the right, ascending aorta, origin of right coronary artery, and right auricle. To the left, left coronary artery, left auricle. The branches are right and left pulmonary arteries.